I'm Victoria Clark, and I play Mother Superior in Sister Act the musical on Broadway. We had at least 2 paperback copies of The Power of Positive Thinking at our house, and I think there's a real link between. I don't think that the brain and the body are separated in any way. I think that the body operates as a whole with the heart and the spirit and the brain and the physical all moving in one unit, and I think the way we choose to spend our time with our words and how we think about things, our attitude, does affect almost every part of our well-being. So, and the well-being of people around us. Our energy affects everyone around us, including the environment and non-speaking living things. So, my grandmother taught me that as a child, and I really believe it's true.